How does Japanese food sound? Oh, it sounds good, right? Well, Grace and Guy found some cheap eats at a Waikiki hotel.
Aloha, welcome to Cheap Eats. Augie's not here. We've upgraded. We've got Sunrise's host, Grace Lee.
Yeah, I'm always ready to eat. Guy knows that. That's why he invites me out.
That's right. We're in Waikiki at the Hilton Hawaiian Village for a new restaurant. It's called Rocky's Japanese Steak and Teppan restaurant.
Yeah, they have a new twist. They've added lunch and happy hour.
That's right. And validated parking. All the details and the wonderful food just ahead. You hungry?
Ooh, let's go.
All right. So Grace, how about the sushi?
You know, there are so many different kinds, and each of these rolls all under $10 a piece for lunch and for happy hour.
That's right, and lunch every day now, and that's something new here at Rocky's.
Yeah, they never had that before. So what do you think you're going to try?
I'm going to try the one called the Speedboat, which is named after Rocky Aoki because he loved racing speedboats. How about you?
Okay, so I'm going to do the shrimp tempura roll.
This is most excellent. Every day in Waikiki. You know what I love about this place too, Grace? 4 hours validated parking. Grace, in addition to sushi rolls, they got another line of appetizers.
Yeah, they brought us round 2 of food. This is on their new menu. So we have poke. Guy's trying the tempura right now, which is also under $15. How is it?
It's most excellent.
I'm gonna try the gyoza to see, but I have to say, you notice it's crispy on one side and soft on the other. That's the perfect way to make the gyoza. Do a little dip here. Meaty on the inside, tasty all the way through.
As it should be. And we gotta try the poke, of course. But you can tell when the fish is fresh. It just jumps at you, just the color alone. Oh, look at this burger. Under 10 bucks.
Under 10 bucks.
For this hefty burger.
All right.
Here at Rocky's Steakhouse.
You take a big bite. We're going to talk about this burger that was also cooked on the Teppan-grilled that you're so familiar with. So a little bit of a different take on their beef. Ready?
What's that?
Good stuff.
It's a hearty burger.
All right, so they also have this, which is cooked up on their grill as well. A little steak.
This is kind of like a Japanese burrito.
Yeah, I'm into it.
That's it.
Normally, each of these drinks 10 bucks.
But half price at happy hour.
Oh, let's cheers to that.
But I know, but it's not really happy hour because it's happy hour and a half.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah.
Oh,
it's 5 to 6:30.
Oh.
So there you go.
So drink them up for the happy hour.
Don't forget, it's Rocky's Japanese Steak and Teppan restaurant here at the Hilton Hawaiian Village. Every day happy hour as well as some cheap eats lunches.
Cheers.
Yep, cheers.
And then Uber home.
Yeah, or walk.
Yeah.
For in some people we know live really close.
That steak wrap looked awesome.
Oh my God! But and you know it's Rocky's Steakhouse Japanese steak. It's not just your normal steak, so it's very good. You miss out, Steve.
I know. I didn't get an invite,
Yeah,
so
well.
that's okay. We'll work on it.